This is the morning after David's party. Let's have a look around what's happening here. David is cooking with Julian here. Hi guys. Fire is burning here. Julian, say I love you.
I love you, man.
This is video, thank you. The girls are chatting over there. Ciao. Říkejte, co přejete Davidovi k narozeninám, tak řekněte. Začni. Cože? Co ještě? Co přejete? What do you wish David for his birthday?
Já mu přeju krásný den. A krásný sofa, kde můžeme pít.
Annak van nője, nem?
What do you wish David for his birthday? Gábor, what do you wish David for his birthday?
What?
David's birthday, what do you wish for him?
Long life.
The independence of Galicia.
Oh, that was... Sandri, what do you wish David for his birthday?
La signor.
Everything.
You look fresh now.
Not to break my arm this year.
After 10 hours
What?
sleep.
Not to break my arm this year.
Okay.
So far, it's successful.
¿Qué quiere decir a David para sus cumpleaños? Excuse me.
Yeah.
Gordo.
It's true, it was last year.
Todos te quieren, David. Vamos a ver dónde está Pablo ahora. So this way we usually go out to smoke, and here are our smokers. Hi guys. What do you wish David for his birthday?
Nothing.
Typical Mexican. This is Brian. What do you wish David for his birthday?
Oh man, I don't know. Everything he wants. Tough question.
You see it, baby? Oh, I said David. Everybody likes you, so peace, man. What?
This is baby that